friends, it's me, Emma, from Let's Play Elephant. I'm super excited because I got my dad here today. Thumbs up. And, I got this really cool Explorer kit from Playkids. Thank you, Playkids.
Do you guys want to go on an adventure with us today?
Yes! Let's get opening and of course my dad first.
Ooh, it's the super guide for new explorers. It says, let me tell you how our adventures get started. This booklet tells you a little bit about Moo Moo Mookie, who's 9 years old and very curious, and her dream is to visit and learn all about different places in the world.
This is me!
Zedford is 10 years old and the smartest fly I know. But sometimes Zedford is afraid to go to new places.
Oh, but he's a frog.
Are you afraid to go to new places? I'm not.
Comment.
On this page, it talks about the magic tent they have, which helps them go on these adventures all over the world, even in space.
I can't wait to go on an adventure with my dad and my friends. I'm so sad. I wonder what else is in this box.
Ooh, look at this. It's Emma in outer space.
That says my name.
And look.
E-M-M-A. Look.
And look, she has the same hair as you. Now here we have Moo Moo Mookie. That's the cow with the magic tent and loves to draw. She always reads to go on adventures and learn something new. Zedford is the smartest fly you'll ever meet. He knows a lot about the world, but sometimes he's afraid of trying new things. Now those are the two explorers we're going to be going to outer space. Ooh, you see all the stars, Emma? Ooh, look at them. In this book, it takes us on an adventure. So it comes with a cute book that has, it's personalized, it has Emma's name on it, and it tells us that we're gonna go with Moo Mookie to outer space.
I love things when they have my name on it. It's a note to mine.
Me too. And guess what? It has my name too. This takes us on our journey. We're not going to read you through the whole book because we'll let you learn on your own when you get your own adventure kit. But
adventures come first until you can say no.
When you go on your adventure,
you read apple, yeah. And everything has an eye on it.
That's right, like a magnifying glass. Everywhere you go, you get to put a stamp that tells you where you've been. So in this adventure, what do we get? In this adventure,
stickers!
It comes with stickers, so we could take this space one off and put it on our passport.
Where?
Right here.
Here?
And then you write the destination, the date, and then it writes some fun facts about your trip.
That's fun. I'm going to do that on the video side.
What else is in there? Ooh, these are the magic cards. Now, these magic cards work with a special app that can go on your Android device, your Apple device. Okay, we're going to review the magic cards that come with the Explorer kit. You open it up.
That seems cool. That seems cool.
doesn't it? It has an International Space Station,
I love
a space shuttle.
Oh, I love all of them.
This one says coloring space.
My favorite.
You love coloring, don't you?
Yeah.
This is Saturn.
It's the sun.
The sun. That's right, Logan. That's the sun.
This
is an astronaut. And this is the Columbia Command Module. All right?
Nice.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to our Playkids app. We already registered.
I picked a bunny. Antennas.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go here to, not the games, we're gonna go back. There's games for you to play with, there's so much for you to do. But we're gonna click here.
Welcome to Playkids Explorer, a new way to play, learn, and explore the world.
So we're gonna click this button, turn the magic camera on.
To begin, point the camera at a magic card.
Ooh, okay, let's start with the astronaut. Do you know what an astronaut is?
No. Yeah.
What's going on? And what I like about this is when you turn the card, it moves with you. Look, it's Emma walking on the moon.
Emma's working in her outside.
He's doing the moonwalk. Okay, we're gonna change it up.
Slow motion.
Let's change the card. Let's see if it updates. It does. Awesome. The sun. Ooh, don't get too close, Logan. Ooh, it looks hot. The surface temperature is 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, it's so high. I myself.
All right, let's go to Saturn. Ooh, look at that.
The thing that I love is about Saturn because it's so big and you can see everything.
And you know,
it has some music.
Remember what we learned on our adventure? Yeah. Is that Saturn has 62 moons and those rings
are made of ice.
That's right, because the cow wanted to ice skate on them.
I know.
Wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah.
Mookie.
Yeah. Imagine what kind of hockey games you could play on there, huh? All right, we're gonna change it up. This is a space shuttle.
I love space shuttle.
And again, you can move it around. Ooh, let's see what the back looks like. Oh, there it is. You can see what the back looks like. So it's really cool. Uh-oh. All right, this is the space. This is the International Space Station. Whoa. Take me to your leader. Now this is a cool space station. It could hold a crew of 6 astronauts.
What the?
Imagine living in outer space in this. 6 people with 6 other people. Pretty cool. We have 2 more.
I can have it.
Hold it steady. Oh wow!
I'm gonna hold it. You can see the back.
Awesome. All right. Can you hold it like this, Logan?
All
right. So with this one, what you do is you have all these projects. Here's some of the projects that Emma did already. She made this dog. She made this beautiful astronaut. with this decorative lens.
I didn't write down. Go.
Oh, that's our tour guide. I know that guy. We saw him in outer space.
Yeah.
He showed us all around, didn't he?
Yeah, but I'm gonna do that one last.
Okay, well, that's in a nutshell. That's all our cards and how the magic cards work. The app has a lot more stuff to do on the app. So you have some games you could play, books, the shows. This is Emma's avatar. She picked a little bunny. She loves bunnies and unicorns, right, Emma?
Yeah. And cats and dogs. Luna! La 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 la. Luna, Luna, Luna.
All right. And that's that.
Yep.
Is that the activity book?
Yes.
Ooh, what's in there? In the activity book, the first activity is you could build your own rocket. And then, these are constellations, Emma. Do you know what a constellation is?
I saw in Luna.
In Luna?
Yeah. La 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 Luna. What bit of rocket?
Yeah!
Yeah.
You don't need instructions.
Can I do something funny, guys?
Yes.
I want about space, and this thing is a lot of fun. Space fun.
Wow. Good job. Pow.
Mom, the rocket goes. Zoom on Daddy's head. Zoom. I never said zoom on the floor. Too much fun exploring with my dad, so I thought we'll make galaxies out of a bottle with my brother. So we have these bottles to make it. And what we need is cotton balls, glitter, and paint. What you need a water bottle full of water, different colors of paint. Any color you want, silver glitter first, and cotton balls. Cotton balls. We're going to do 5 each. Let's get doing it. Let's get doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, very carefully.
Okay. Now, careful. Put it down. Add your cotton balls. Pick out your first color of paint. Put it really close. And push it in. Careful, Emma.
We're doing it.
Good job. Okay, wait. Oh.
Oh, this squeezed out crazy. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Now we're going to put the glitter. Silver glitter. Start shaking.
Whoa! Upside down. Upside down. Upside down.
Ooh, look at Logan. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 Emma. Let's see if something happens. Ooh, look at that color. Shake, 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 Logan.
Oh my God! So shiny. It's back on my leg.
Now that we showed you everything that comes with your Explorer kit that you'll get every month for I think it's about $15 or $16 a month, you'll get a new Explorer kit every month if you sign up. Isn't that cool? Well, now that we showed you guys what comes with it, Emma and I are gonna go to outer space.
Outer space, alligator. Alligator. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.